Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get KJ in a public server. First, you need to understand the precise conditions and prerequisites for acquiring KJ. This often involves specific in-game achievements or resource gathering. Next, ensure you are on the correct type of public server, as not all servers support KJ acquisition. Finally, prepare your character by leveling up relevant skills or collecting essential items before you begin the process. The only proven method involves a precise sequence of actions. You must first locate a specific, often hidden, non-player character or trigger a unique in-game event. This will initiate a special quest chain or challenge that is distinct from regular gameplay. Successfully completing this challenge, which might require specific team coordination or individual skill, will then grant you the KJ item or status as a rare reward. This path is exclusive. To maximize your chances, thorough preparation is key. Always research the latest server patches and community-shared guides, as requirements can change. Forming a dedicated team with members who possess complementary skills can significantly improve your success rate. Additionally, practice any critical mechanics or difficult encounters in a controlled, low-stakes environment before attempting the main challenge. This strategic approach will save you time and effort. Many players encounter issues by not following the exact steps. A common mistake is attempting the method on unofficial or private servers, which will not yield KJ. Always double-check that all prerequisites, such as character level or specific item collections, are fully met before you initiate the quest. Remember, precision is paramount for this unique acquisition. Also, for other great deals, and to grab your own little tree's black ice, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.